Right, let us expand these two questions. So here, R here going from 1 to 3. So I can write U of 1 plus V of 1 plus U of 2 plus V of 2 plus U of 3 plus V of 3. And if you group all the U's together, U of 1 and group all the V together, and we can see that this can be rewritten as the U of R from 1 to 3, for example. Well, actually, if you were just to expand it, this will be the answer. The second line here will be the answer, right? And furthermore, I can also notice that as a generalization, I also get this. That is, another word is that if you get something like this, that is a summation of sigma of a term which is composed of the summation of two things, then these two things can be separated up, right? As the sigma of the first thing plus the sigma of the second thing, for example. As the answer, here's the answer. Now let's look at question B. Question B, right? Just expand this means 5 of U of 0 plus 5 of U of 1 plus 5 of U of 2 plus 5 of U of 3. And you can see that as an expansion, the common ratio is 5. The common term is 5. So I can write out the 5. This is U1, U2 plus U3. It's a U1, okay? So that's the expansion. And as a generalization, we can see that this is just 5 sigma I equal to 0 to 3 U of R. That is, when you have a common term, the common term actually come out of the sigma notation. So here again, I have the generalization. And in fact, this thing also works for negative. If you have a difference, then it's a sigma of the two differences. Now let us look at this question here. Question number 3 and question number 4. We simply have to expand this thing. So the first one, so will be negative 1 to the power of 1 plus negative 1 to the power of 2 plus negative 1 to the power of 3 plus negative 1 to the power of 4. Negative 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. So basically, this is a way to write alternating sign, right? And notice this is starting with 1. Here, very similar, but start with 0. If we start with 0, so negative 1 to the power of 0 plus negative 1 to the power of 1 plus negative 1 square, and so on. So negative 1 to the power of 4 is the last one. So this is 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. And notice, depending on where you start, the sign will alternate either from negative to plus or from plus to negative, right? For this particular one, so this is similar to A, but the index is different. With the different index, then this is to the power of 2, 3, to the power of 4, to the power of 5. So this is a 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1. You can see that the signs are different. So this is one of the way to write alternating sign. Now let's consider question number 4. Question number 4, basically we should use this property here. This property, all right? Break them up into two parts. So breaking them up means like this. Okay, and this has a common term, this 2, which is a constant. This constant can go out, side as in this one. So 2 and this is an arithmetic series. So that will be 0 to 8, 9 terms divided by 2, and then 0 plus 8. Plus here is 0 to 8 is again a 9 terms, 9 times 3, right? So here we have 9 times 8 is 72, plus 9 times 3 is 27. So I have 99 as my answer.